Do you dream of owning your own home? It's a big goal, but it's definitely achievable with careful planning and saving. One of the biggest hurdles to buying a home is coming up with a down payment. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to save for a down payment on a house. So, how much do you need for a down payment? The amount you need will vary depending on the price of the home you want to buy. But in general, most lenders require a down payment of at least 3% of the purchase price. If you can afford it, a 20% down payment will get you a better interest rate on your mortgage. There are a few different ways to save for a down payment. One option is to start a dedicated savings account. This will help you keep your money separate from your everyday spending money. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will help you save money without even thinking about it. Another way to save for a down payment is to increase your income. If you can get a raise at work or start a side hustle, you'll be able to put more money away each month. You can also sell some of your belongings that you don't use anymore. Finally, you can also consider getting help from a financial advisor or a government program. There are a number of programs available to help first-time homebuyers save for a down payment. Here are some specific tips on how to save for a down payment. Set a goal. How much do you need for a down payment? Once you know your goal, you can start to make a plan to reach it. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will help you save money without even thinking about it. Increase your income. Get a raise at work or start a side hustle. This will give you more money to put towards your down payment. Sell your belongings. If you have any belongings that you don't use anymore, sell them. This will free up some cash that you can put towards your down payment. Get help from a financial advisor or a government program. There are a number of organizations that can help first-time home buyers save for a down payment and purchase a home. Here are a few of the most popular. The Federal Housing Administration, or FHA, offers a variety of programs for first-time homebuyers, including loans with down payments as low as 3.5%. The Department of Veterans Affairs, or VA, offers home loans to veterans and their surviving spouses with no down payment required. The USDA Rural Development offers home loans to low and moderate income borrowers in rural areas with no down payment required. The National Homebuyers Fund provides grants of up to 5% of the purchase price to first-time homebuyers. The NeighborWorks America network of organizations offers a variety of down payment assistance programs and other resources for first-time homebuyers. To find out more about these programs and others, you can contact your local housing authority or a HUD-approved housing counselor. You can also search online for first-time homebuyers programs in your state or region. Here are some additional tips for first-time homebuyers. Get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start looking at homes. This will give you an idea of how much you can afford to spend and will make the home buying process go more smoothly. Get a home buyer education course. This will teach you about the home buying process and help you avoid making costly mistakes. Hire a real estate agent who is experienced in working with first-time homebuyers. They can help you find the right home for your needs and budget. Be prepared to compromise. You may not be able to find the perfect home, so be prepared to make some compromises. Don't be afraid to negotiate. The asking price is just a starting point. You may be able to get a better deal if you're willing to negotiate. Here's how a friend of mine with her husband came up with their down payment. Initially, they did not have enough for their down payment, so don't worry, you're not alone. Many people are in the same boat, but there is a way to earn money for a down payment quickly, and it's by becoming a food delivery driver for Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Lyft. These companies allow you to make money by delivering food to people in your community. You can work as much or as little as you want, and you can set your own hours. This makes it a great option for people who are looking to earn extra money on the side. So how much money can you expect to make? According to a recent survey, the average Uber Eats driver makes $24.50 per hour. DoorDash drivers make a little bit more, at an average of $25.60 per hour, and Lyft drivers make even more, at an average of $27.50 per hour. That means that if you work 20 hours per week, you could earn an average of $490 to $512 per week, or $2,460 to $2,552 per month. And if you work 40 hours per week, you could earn an average of $980 to $1,024 per week, or $4,920 to $5,104 per month. Of course, these are just averages. Some drivers may earn more, while others may earn less. It also depends on how much you work and where you live. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can definitely earn enough money to save for a down payment on a house within 6 to 7 months. Here are some tips for maximizing your earnings as a food delivery driver. Work in busy areas. Drivers in busy areas tend to earn more money. If you can, try to work in areas with a lot of restaurants and customers. Work during peak hours. Drivers also tend to earn more money during peak hours, such as lunch and dinner time. If you can, try to schedule your shifts during these times. Take advantage of promotions. Delivery services often offer promotions, such as bonuses for completing a certain number of deliveries or working during peak hours. Be sure to take advantage of these promotions whenever possible. Provide excellent customer service. Customers who are happy with your service are more likely to tip you well. Make sure to be friendly, polite, and efficient. Maintain your vehicle. Your vehicle is your livelihood as a delivery driver. Make sure to keep it clean and well maintained. This will help you avoid costly repairs and make you more efficient on the road. If you follow these tips, you can easily earn enough money for a down payment on a house within 6 to 7 months. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up to become a food delivery driver today. Buying a home is a big decision, but it can be a great investment. With careful planning and preparation, you can achieve your dream of home ownership. Saving for a down payment on a house can be a challenge, but it's definitely achievable with careful planning and saving. By following the tips in this video, you'll be well on your way to owning your own home in no time. If you're serious about buying a home, I encourage you to start saving for a down payment today. The sooner you start, the easier it will be to reach your goal. And remember, there are a number of resources available to help you along the way, so don't give up on your dream of home ownership. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.